Peggy 16.
In Dark Souls 2, fearless adventurers will don the armor of a new hero. He is a man alone, and never more than a sword's edge away from death. To bring the enigmatic hero to life, Namco Bandai Games asked armor specialists Armedia to recreate his armor. Armedia is a working forge hidden in a valley near the Franco-Swiss border. Since 1970, they've been producing authentic armor for films, TV shows, and countless events. Stefan is the fourth generation of master blacksmith to work here. His armor is based entirely on images provided by From Software, the developers of Dark Souls 2. The plastron is the steel breastplate that protects the upper body. The coal forge reaches a blistering 1200 degrees Celsius. Stefan uses the hollows of this ancient tree trunk to beat the sections into shape. The curved shape of the shield was achieved using an old boat-building technique. Stefan's wife Mireille applies stain to give the shield its battle-worn look. The blade is hardened by heating it to 850 degrees Celsius, then quickly submerging it in water. The belt grinder turns at 1500 RPM and can tear through skin like tissue paper. This blade's sharp edge makes it more dangerous weapon than stage prop. Mireille is a skilled costume designer and takes care of the fabric and leather parts of the outfit. A stiff brush and natural pigments complete the well-traveled look. The leather inner and steel-jointed outer of the gauntlets give flexibility and protect fingers. Shoulder pauldrons are made in sections to allow movement without compromising on strength. The most complex piece is the helm, which takes 6 weeks to complete. The plasma torch uses compressed air and an electrical arc to slice through the steel like butter. The pneumatic hammer delivers 12 kilograms of pressure per strike, enough to flatten unwary thumbs. It's a challenge to create a perfectly symmetrical helm by eye alone. The chainmail hoops are cut on a machine Stefan built. Fire and oil do a good job of aging the chainmail. The complete costume weighs a full 20 kilos. It's taken 8 weeks and tested Stefan's skill as a blacksmith. Finally, the hero of Dark Souls 2 is ready to kill or be killed.